Maluti is a village in the Dumka district of Jharkhand, India. It was built under the Baj Basanta dynasty. The area has 72 old temples which are edifices to the kings of Pala dynasty. They portray various scenes from Hindu mythology including the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Once, Maluti was known for annual sacrifice of over 100 goats on Kali Puja. Animal activists have often looked down strongly at this activity. Today, Maluti is endangered by insufficient management of the old temples and threatened by natural disasters. Today, an important priority of the village Maluti is maintaining its 72 ancient temples. It is said that the king of Nankar state originally constructed 108 temples, but later generations could not maintain such a huge number of monuments, and most were left uncared for. With the passage of time, 36 monuments deteriorated and finally crumbled completely. In a 2010 report titled Saving Our Vanishing Heritage, Global Heritage Fund identified Maluti's temples as one of the 12 worldwide sites which are on the verge of irreparable damage and loss due to insufficient management as primary cause. With regard to temples architecture, it is noticed that in the existing temples, no particular style like Nagara, Veshar or Dravida has been followed. Specialist artisans from Bengal had given shape to the numerous designs while constructing these temples. The main temple of Maluti site is Ma Mauliksha temple, which is the main deity of royal family. Interestingly, the goddess is not found in Hindu scripture but is found in Vajrayana Buddhism as the goddess Pandora. Usually, the Buddhist influence of this region tampers down and becomes goddess of Hindu Tantra. Maluti village came into limelight in the 15th century as the capital of Nankar Raj, that is, tax-free kingdom. The kingdom was awarded to one Basanta Rai of village Katigram by Sultan Alauddin Hussain Shah of Gauda during the period 1495 to 1525. How Maluti, the capital of Baj Basanta dynasty, turned out to be a temple city is an interesting story. Instead of constructing palaces, the Rajas built temples. The dynasty was broken into parts or tarafs, but each taraf kept building temples competing with one another. In the end, it turned out to be a unique temple village. inscription shows that the temples were named after women. But Maluti may not be in this name existed long before being the capital of Bajpasant dynasty. Mention of Maluti, known as Gupta Kashi, in ancient time is found as early as Shunga dynasty 185 BC to 75 BC. Sources say that it was at Maluti that the king of Pataliputra performed Ashwamedha Yajna. Later, Vajrayani Buddhists, followers of Tantric rituals, settled here. So, Maulik Shama is the most ancient idol ever found in Maluti. It is also said that Adi Shankaracharya on his way to Varanasi had stopped at Maluti, and it is here he launched his mission against Buddhism. Some prehistoric stone tools like hand axes, scrapers and blades were found in the riverbed of Chila, which confirms that Maluti used to be inhabited by our prehistoric forefathers, though the area was never excavated. These tools belonged to the transit period from early Stone Age to the Middle Stone Age. It is said that at Tarapit, whole year Tarama faces north side, but after Durga Puja, during the day of Shukla Chaturdashi, Tarama faces towards Maluti at the west. Being pleased upon her disciple, the Raja of Maluti, who offered his prayer from Maluti. Maluti can easily be reached by car from Dumka district of Jharkhand or from Tarapit of West Bengal. Let's hope that the rich heritage of Maluti be preserved for our future generation. Stay safe and stay healthy. Meet you next time at some other interesting place.